ever felt the ground shake as a machine comes to life? The roar of steel, the crash of dirt, and raw human strength. This isn't just work, it's a battleground. The machine moves in slowly, every moment filled with anticipation. The bucket strikes the earth, but it slips. Is it going to topple? The entire crew holds their breath, watching the operator skillfully pull the machine back from disaster. 1 second longer and everything would have changed. That was a close one. One wrong move, and the excavator could have tipped over, crushing everything in its path. You can feel the weight of the moment as the operator makes a split-second decision to save the day. What if they hadn't acted so fast? It's not just about machines, it's about survival. Imagine the ground trembling as the excavator's bucket digs into the earth. With each scoop, it rips apart the terrain, leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. This isn't just digging, it's pure, unrelenting power. How does it feel to stand next to a machine like that? Now, meet the beast, the P&H 4100 AC. This isn't just any excavator. It's a massive force of nature that scoops up 120 tons of earth in a single pass. When this thing moves, the ground feels it. It's not just big, it's a game changer. You won't believe the power it holds. When this machine digs, it's like watching a beast devour the earth. In seconds, what would take humans hours is done. The speed is unreal. You'll watch the dirt fly and wonder, how is this even possible? One inch to the left, and it's over. You can feel the pressure mounting as the operator controls the beast with precision. A small mistake, and everything could go wrong. This is a high-stakes job, and the stakes have never been higher. This isn't just power, this is control. Every scoop, every movement is executed with pinpoint accuracy. This is a battle between man and machine, and it's a battle that requires perfect coordination. You don't get much better than this. Watch as the excavator comes to life. Its massive bucket devouring everything in its path. The power is overwhelming. It's not just doing a job, it's doing it with authority. In seconds, what would take others hours is finished. This is no ordinary machine. For every scoop, the earth resists. The machine digs in, but the ground fights back. Yet the excavator doesn't give up. It powers through, overcoming everything in its path. This is the ultimate battle of man, machine, and nature. Who will win? You won't believe how this plays out. One wrong move, and the excavator could plunge into the abyss. You feel the tension as the machine moves dangerously close to the edge. 1 second too long, and it could all come crashing down. But then, in the blink of an eye, the operator saves the day. How did they pull that off?
Oh no.
But the operator doesn't stop there. No, they push forward. With expert precision, the machine is back on track, like nothing ever happened. This isn't just a job well done, it's a masterpiece. And that's why this machine is unstoppable. Now comes the final test, the last task to complete. The excavator faces its toughest challenge yet, and the operator knows it. One last scoop and the job is done. Will the machine triumph, or will this be its downfall? The crew is holding its breath. After all the chaos, after the tension, everything falls silent. For a brief moment, the excavator stands still. You could hear a pin drop, but the crew knows. They've just danced with disaster, and they've come out on top. That calm, it's only temporary. This isn't just about a machine, it's about the operator behind the controls. Every move is instinct, every decision is crucial. The operator is the key to unlocking the full potential of this massive machine. Would you have the courage to make these decisions? Today you've witnessed the power, precision, and unrelenting force of the excavator. It doesn't just work, it dominates. Every scoop, every decision is a battle of strength and skill. If you love these moments, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Now, how would you control this beast?